Okay, I'm trying to place a trade for 10%. Just one trade for this session, and I want you guys to all see. Okay, can you see this trade has pulled through within a jiffy? It's important for everybody to learn. You see, it is not in the number of trades you do, it is in the consistency of how profitable you can be. Sorry there, I had to change my alarm because my other laptop is not too loud, so you can be hearing siren. That's an alarm. That's the alarm I just traded right now. And probably if I could do, I may have to pause and see if I can do one more. If not, I'll see you in another video. Okay, I just placed another trade, and you can see that my trade are pulling through before I even get to open them. So maybe you don't understand, but let me get to show you so that you get to know this is real money. So like right now, look at the second trade. It didn't take just less than 8 seconds or something. Now I had 400 before, now I have 421. That's $20. That's like 8,000. Yeah. If you don't know, that's like 8,000. Hey, don't mind the siren and everything you're hearing. That's my auto setup. It's available for my student only. It's only when you already know about my strategy that it will help you to be able to earn. And it will help you to be able to do it faster. It's important that you understand that once you hit your target, you learn to stop. There is the process where you get to learn to continue and to stop. Anybody and everybody can do this. I've always been saying this to people. Under 2 minutes, I've made $20. You will now say because under 2 minutes you've made $20, you want to be doing every minute, every hour. No, it is not going to continue. You can see the same signal that has been going down is now reversing. And if you are the type who was greedy, it will now collect back all the money, including everything you've made. That's what the discipline everybody needs to have. God bless you. I'll see you in another video. Now, this is real money. God bless you. Bye-bye. Crazy. Okay, this is just to wrap up that video I did earlier. Now, I did 4 trades. I think I should show you all the trade. I had 400, so now I have 440. So that's $40. $40 is good profit. Good profit. My profile identity has expired, so you can get to see 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, $40 close for the day. Under how many minutes? Less than 5 minutes, you're done. Yeah. Do you know somebody else could be at work and be doing stuff and then stayed almost so as I was saying, you need to understand anybody can do this. I've made $40. Imagine you spending 1 hour every day learning how to make $50. Anybody and everybody can do this. If you're making $50 every day, 50 times 10, that's $500. Times 20, 1,000 is sure for you in a month. That's over 400k, man. God bless you. I'll see you in another video. Hey, don't forget, I have a special promo for this month of April. God bless you. See you in another video.